In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Google Drive attachments in Gmail. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, plus a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. This is perfect if you keep your files in Google Drive and want to share them straight from an email without downloading anything first. Start by opening any Google page in your browser. In the top right corner, look for the Google Apps icon. It's the small grid of 9 dots. Click that to open the app launcher. This panel shows all your Google services in one place and makes it easy to jump into the right tool without typing any links. From the app launcher, click Gmail. That takes you into your inbox, where you can see your messages and the main controls. Give it a second to load if your connection is a bit slow. Once the inbox appears, you're ready for the next part. Now click the Compose button, usually found in the upper left of Gmail. A new message window appears in the corner of the screen. In the To field, enter the email address of the person you want to contact. If you're writing to more than one person, you can add multiple addresses separated by commas. Keep things accurate here so your file reaches the right people. Next, enter a subject. A clear subject helps your recipient understand what the message and the attached file are about at a glance. Something short and descriptive works best. With your message window open, look along the toolbar at the bottom of the Compose box and click the Google Drive icon. It looks like a small triangle. This opens the Drive file picker, where you can locate the specific file you want to send. You can browse through My Drive, check recent files, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you need. Click on the file you want to include. If you're not sure it's the right one, the file name and location shown in the picker can help you confirm. After you select the file, insert it into your email. You'll see it appear at the bottom of the Compose window, showing it's attached from Drive. Gmail handles the file type automatically, so Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides are shared using their Drive links, while other file types are attached from Drive storage. If the recipient doesn't already have access, Gmail will let you know so everything stays secure. That's it. You've chosen your recipients, added a subject, and attached your file directly from Google Drive, all within Gmail. When your message looks good, you're ready to share your file with confidence.